Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to check what email you used for Roblox account. Let's get started. So the method 1 is check through the account settings. Open your Roblox app and tap the three dots at the bottom. Scroll down and tap settings. Then here go to account info. Here you'll see the email linked to your account, but keep in mind that it will be partially hidden for security. And the method 2 is check your email inbox. If you're not sure which email you used, search for the email inbox. Open the Gmail, Yahoo, or Outlook, whichever email you might use, then search for keyword Roblox. If you find messages like verification emails, receipts, or login alerts, that means that email is linked to your Roblox account. And that's how you check what email you used for Roblox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching!